Miss Tery, I hear you, but I don't see you. Where'd you go?
Walter, I will be out in a minute.
Look at you. Look at you.
You know what? I've been doing a lot of thinking these days.
Uh-huh.
A lot of sitting.
Yeah.
Thinking. I think sometimes we get too much into our heads. And I think it's time to get out of our heads. And it's time to get into our bodies. My hand is connected to this tree. I can feel its rough skin. That's right. Feel it. Feel it, Walter. Do you feel it?
Rough. I don't think I've ever really touched a tree.
And now, we touch each other.
Whoa.
But in the world that we live in, you know what we touch all the time?
What?
We don't touch nothing. We don't touch nobody. We
Yeah.
be thinking. We be trying to figure out how it all is.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, you don't have to figure out how it all is.
No.
It already is. You know what, Walter?
Huh?
We're always asking ourselves, what is it all about?
Yeah.
What is the purpose of life? We're always trying to think about it, trying to figure it out, trying to figure out how to unlock that box. Here's the thing, the box is already open. It's unlocked. You don't have to think about how to get inside the box. You don't have to think about what is the purpose of life. Life is here to be lived. But if you cannot feel and engage with the things around you, inside of you, and outside of you, you're lost. Feel this tree. Feel it with the eyes of your fingers. Close your eyes. Open up. Touch eyes. Open up your sound eyes and listen to the birds singing. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I hear those birds. Huh?
Yes. You have to open all your senses. You gotta open all your senses. You got to let yourself feel these things. You have to let your wild heart awaken.
Do
You know what I'm talking about, Walter?
Do you feel like your wild heart is awoken?
Yes, of course I do. What kind of question is that? You know my wild heart is open. You want to see it? You want to feel it? Can you feel it?
You're my hero, Miss Tery. You're my hero. I see you. You're like outsides are merging with the insides, and the outside is awakening your wild heart. I see it. It's wild and free.
Oh, so
It's wild and free.